The World Health Organization is convening an emergency summit to determine whether this latest outbreak of Ebola has become an international health crisis. For more, Paul E. is joining us from the News Center. Paul, this fatal disease has already claimed the lives of some 900 people in West Africa, and concerns are growing this virus may spread to other parts of the world.
That's right, Charity. Health experts around the world are putting their heads together to get the Ebola outbreak under control. Officials from the WHO say the emergency meeting in Geneva is aimed at quelling fears and introducing concrete measures to tackle the epidemic. But already we're seeing countries such as Korea stepping up monitoring of its citizens abroad for possible infections, while Spain announced on this Wednesday that it was repatriating a missionary who tested positive for the disease in Liberia. Our Kim Min-ji reports.
The World Health Organization is set to discuss whether to designate this latest Ebola outbreak as a public health emergency of international concern. If the verdict after a two-day emergency committee meeting starting Wednesday is yes, the committee will recommend that the Director General of the WHO declare it as such. The UN body would then implement temporary measures to keep the virus from spreading internationally. The health organization says more than 1,600 people have been infected in the current outbreak and that the number killed is nearing 900. But there are fears that the actual death toll could be much higher than the WHO figures suggest. Voices among the world's leading Ebola specialists are calling on the WHO to make experimental drugs available to victims in West Africa. 2 American citizens who were flown home after being infected with the virus are reportedly recovering after being administered with an experimental drug called ZMapp. Kim Min-ji, Arirang News.